Bonjour, c'est Claire at Clearly French. This video is about how to use QUOI correctly, the word QUOI on its own. There's about 7 ways to use it, and I'm going to show you what they are. The first use of QUOI, you probably know this, is to introduce a what question. So we use it in a very familiar way instead of qu'est-ce que. For instance, tu fais quoi demain? Instead of qu'est-ce que tu fais demain? What are you doing tomorrow? Or we say c'est quoi ça? Instead of qu'est-ce que c'est ça? What's that? And also we use it for questions with a or de. À quoi tu penses? What are you thinking about? Which is literally, to what are you thinking? De quoi tu parles? What are you talking about? And literally, of what are you talking? So the last two are not familiar, they're just standard, but the first two definitely are. The second way to use it is just like in English, as an exclamation, to express surprise, indignation, or any strong emotions. For instance, quoi? Tu ne viens pas à ma fête? What? Are you not coming to my party? Or even, quoi? Il pleut encore? What? It's raining again. Now you can also use quoi to introduce something indefinite or uncertain, followed by the infinitive, and this is what people are not aware of. It's very, very handy. Je ne sais pas quoi dire. I don't know what to say. You see, as soon as you got the infinitive after what, you need quoi. Je ne sais jamais quoi mettre pour les mariages. I never know what to wear at weddings. Tu peux m'expliquer quoi faire avec ça? Can you explain to me what to do with this? So you see, in every single instance, it's followed by the infinitive because it's not massively person specific, even though we know who's talking and who it's about. It's less specific than ce que plus the person. You can also use it with que to express emphasis, and in that case it means whatever or no matter what. Quoi que tu en penses, c'est la vérité. Whatever you think, it's the truth. Quoi qu'elle fasse, elle ne reçoit jamais de compliments. No matter what she does, she never gets any compliments. And of course, after quoique, you need the subjunctive, as you may have noticed. That's why you've got face there, subjunctive of faire. It's also used with de to express an indefinite something. Let me explain. Eh bien, il y a de quoi faire ici. That means, well, there are a lot of things to do here. But actually you're saying there is something to do. The context will tell you it's a lot. Ne t'inquiète pas, on a de quoi manger pour une semaine. Don't worry, we have enough to eat for a week. What you're actually saying is we have something to eat for a week, but the idea is enough. Ça va, ils ont de quoi vivre. It's okay, they have enough money to live on. Something to live on. You may have heard it used as a filler word to end a sentence that's very familiar. And it's the same as saying basically or you know at the end of your sentence in English. C'est pas mal, quoi. It's not bad, you know. Or enfin voilà, quoi, when you finished explaining something really long. Enfin voilà, quoi. Anyway, that's it, basically. Mon patron est super pénible, quoi. Mon patron est super pénible, quoi. My boss is a pain, you know, or my boss is a pain, basically. Finally, you can also use it in a few set expressions, such as c'est n'importe quoi, en fait. And you know this word because I keep going on about it. C'est n'importe quoi, en fait. It's nonsense, actually. Quoi de neuf? When you meet someone you haven't seen for a while, this is what you ask, quoi de neuf? What's new or what's up? Remember to claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. And also check out my Parler Français Level 1 to 3 course to speak French fast. You can download a free sample of each level at the link below.